시즌 1으로부터 4년 후 조너선은 시리아 감옥에 도착합니다.
No. Just one of you will perform identification.
Who says?
I say.
조너선은 지금 시즌 1 마지막에 잡은 리처드 로퍼가 감옥에서 처형당했다는 얘기를 듣고 신원을 확인하기 위해 영국에서 도착했습니다.
Can you confirm this is Richard Roper?
Yeah, it's him.
Sure?
Yeah.
리처드의 사망을 확인한 지 6년 후 노크 소리에 밖으로 나가보니 조너선이 키우는 고양이가 또 옆집으로 들어갔죠.
You, sir, are a flirt. What are you doing disturbing our neighbour, eh? Come on.
You work at night, don't you?
I do, yes.
Yeah. What do? You like vampires?
I work in a bank. So yes, basically, yeah.
Yeah.
I am.
All right. I'd love to have dinner soon if you dare to journey across the hall.
Yes, maybe, one day.
Yeah.
Sorry again.
All
Okay,
good.
come on you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
이런 미녀를 그냥 보내버리는 조너선. 어쩌면 당연한 게 지금 조너선은 다른 신분으로 살고 있습니다.
I see you've requested to stay with the Night Owls for another 3 years.
Yes, yep.
How do you feel about that?
I feel good. I love working for Rex Mayhew. I love my team.
리버하우스는 뛰어난 직감과 관찰력, 무엇보다 타고난 임기응변을 지닌 조너선을 MI6 요원으로 발탁합니다. 그리고 테러리스트나 무기 밀매상 등을 추적하는 일명 올빼미조를 운영 중이죠.
From a central ops point of view, we've learned more from the Night Owl surveillance unit led by Alex Goodwin than from a dozen agents in the field. Nocturnal surveillance of the top hotels has proved pivotal to our clean-up operation in the City of London.
조너선이 이런 활동을 할 수 있는 것은 시즌 1부터 그를 믿어준 렉스 메이휴가 없었으면 불가능했을 겁니다.
Visitor from the river. Thanks, Graham.
올빼미조는 이렇게 작은 단칸방에서 런던에 있는 모든 호텔 CCTV를 살펴볼 수 있습니다.
Well, as head of the Riverhouse Supervisory Council, I am formally sanctioning a further 3-year extension for the Night Owl unit under the leadership of Alex Goodwin and the continued supervision of Rex Mayhew. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Myra.
I've taken a look at your file. 6 years. You've refused all promotions, all offers for posts abroad.
I love being at home. Sorry to disappoint you.
You don't disappoint me, Alex. If I'm honest, you frighten me.
Just a reminder, nothing above the parapet. That face is too pretty to lose.
A lot of intelligence officers come through this room. Some of them shout. Some of them scream at me. Some even throw things. But the ones I really worry about turn up every 3 months. They sit there and they smile. Just like you. They say nothing like you. And then one day, they explode. You need to talk to me, Alex. Tell me who you really are.
I am the man who will not explode.
리처드의 죽음 이후 변할 줄 알았던 조너선의 삶은 오히려 알 수 없는 불안함과 초조함의 연속입니다.
Where are you running to, Mr. Kadyrov?
오늘도 요주의 인물의 동선을 추적하는 조너선. 그런데 그가 들어간 카지노에서 놀라운 얼굴을 보게 됩니다.
So who else is on tonight's hit list?
Something wrong?
Mike, zoom in on that man in the corner. Who is he? Just do it now.
처음 보는 조노선의 긴장된 표정, 그리고 화면 속 남자는 오래전 기억을 떠올리게 만듭니다.
Americans, Russians, Ukrainians, Serbs, Croats, Angolans. One big happy family. Yakko looks like a teddy bear, but don't let him near your neck on a bad day.
리처드의 용병이었던 야코입니다. 그가 왜 런던에 있는 걸까요?
Alex,
Hello, Celia. Hi.
preposterously early.
I'm sorry, I was hoping to catch Rex before the party. Is
Well,
he
you
around?
can't. He's talking to some girl. He's working on his fucking birthday.
Well,
And she's far too attractive to boot.
렉스 메이휴에게 리처드의 용병이 영국에 온 걸 보고하려고 합니다.
And I have to go. Roxana, you hear anything more about this, you call me.
Okay, thank you, Rex.
And you tell Noah about this. Clear?
렉스를 만납니다.
I got your message. Show me what you've got.
taken last night. Old Roper Field man. What's he doing coming to London under a false name?
You sure it's him?
Absolutely sure.
You talked to anyone else about this?
How could I? I'm Alex Goodwin now.
And you should stay that way.
엔젤라가 현직에 있다면 얘기했겠지만 그녀는 6년 전 은퇴했습니다.
Who was the woman he met before the party?
She was a friend.
What kind of friend?
The kind you never saw. My dear boy, listen to me. If I'd had my way, you'd be on a beach in Bali now. Your state pension in your pocket. Yoga teacher in your bed.
리처드는 이미 죽었고 그의 용병도 여행을 하러 영국에 왔을 테니 걱정하지 말라는 렉스.
Oh, I have a new number. Best to use this from now on. Memorize and eat. You know the drill.
Alex! What on earth are you doing?
Myra, hello.
Don't you know it's bad luck to see an owl during the day?
Rex said that this owl needs a bit of vitamin D, so here I am.
Wise man.
같은 MI6 소속인 마이라도 초대를 받았습니다. 그런데 이상한 걸 물어보는 마이라.
Do you think he's all right?
Why'd you ask?
I'm worried about him. Well, he didn't mention anything to you.
No.
Right, have a lovely time.
Thank you, you too.
SPF,
Okay, yes, okay.
no less than 50.
You are in trouble.
생일 파티 도중에도 돌아가는 길에도 리처드의 기억이 가시질 않는 조너선. 결국 다음날 출근 후 야코에 대한 흔적을 역추적합니다.
South African, but he spent the last 6 years as a fixer for cartels in South America. He arrived at Heathrow under a Dutch Antilles passport, name of Michel Hebert. And he's staying at a small hotel in Richmond, the Rogers.
So, how did he end up playing poker at the Mortimer?
I don't know. I want to know what he's doing in London.
How do you know him?
From a previous life.
What previous life?
I can't say, Mike. I'm not allowed to tell you. And I have no official authority to follow or trail him. So, up to you.
팀원들은 조너선을 돕기로 결심합니다. 그리고 본격적으로 조사와 미행을 시작합니다.
In position.
Yeah, we see you.
여행을 왔다기엔 주변을 지나치게 경계합니다.
Willie, move it. Got it. On my way.
Looks like he's got a date.
Photos incoming.
Here they are. Who's that?
You know him?
No.
Audio coming in.
The shipment arrives in Cartagena port in 3 days. Once it's through customs, we're ready to press go.
And you'll make the anniversary.
No problem, we're on schedule. But my chief wants the shipment list. Full spec, government stamped in a diplomatic briefcase.
I'll speak to my client, but they want to keep documentation minimal, for obvious reasons.
This isn't your average gun run. Think of it as his insurance policy.
He knows his mind, your chief. He learned from the best. Calls himself Richard Roper's true disciple.
Nothing quite as pretty as napalm at night.
Mean anything to you?
No. No.
모두가 걱정 말라고 하지만 조노선의 불안은 계속됩니다. 혹시 리처드가 살아있는 건 아닌지. 다음날 야코가 만난 남자를 알아냅니다.
Adam Hollywell is a middleman. He connects dozens of UK companies with clients abroad, often in the shadows. He calls himself the Alternative Foreign Office.
The question is, who's he working for this time?
Hamley Street, Hall Park. Okay.
Just here on the left would be great, thank you.
애덤을 미행하는 조너선. 과연 그는 누구를 만나는 걸까요?
Sally.
Okay, we know who owns the house.
Who?
We do.
그때 애덤이 밖으로 나옵니다. 그리고 잠시 뒤
Rex, I'm driving down tomorrow. We need to talk.
We do. When you get here, park away from the house. Use the side entrance, library. I have something to show you.
렉스의 집으로 향하는 길.
Celia.
Alex, something terrible's happened.
Celia, whoa. Slow down, slow down. Tell me what's happened.
Rex is dead. He's dead. Alex, something. I don't know what. Basil's here and the police. And you've got to come, please. I can't.
경찰과 구급차로 어수선한 렉스의 집. 아내 실리아를 만나 위로를 건넵니다.
Celia, what happened?
He was agitated. He said he'd found something. Wanted to talk to you. It was about your man. And then I got a call from the vets saying that the dog's medicines were ready. When I got back, the shed door was open. I just knew. What if you've got him involved in?
경찰은 렉스가 약을 먹고 스스로 목숨을 끊었다고 판단합니다. 하지만 절대 그럴 리 없다는 걸 조노선이 가장 잘 알고 있죠.
Memorize and eat. You know the drill.
그리고 휴대폰에는 알 수 없는 링크만 저장되어 있습니다.
He knows his mind, your chief. Calls himself Richard Roper's true disciple.
Rex, you said you'd call me at 6. Where are you? Rex? Hello?
당장 올빼미 둥지로 가 걸려온 번호를 추적합니다.
It belongs to Roxana Bolaños. She's Colombian but works as a shipping broker out of Miami. Haven't been able to link her to Yakko or Hollywell yet.
렉스의 생일 때 보았던 여성입니다. 대화를 해봐야겠죠.
So what is your favorite place to live? If you live in America and you have to go to Arizona, what are you getting?
So
You
sorry
like to
to
film
disturb you.
English?
There's a gentleman waiting for you at the front desk. Says he needs to talk to you.
Sorry. Excuse me, guys. I'm just gonna run to the restroom real quick. Sorry. Thank you. Get me a dessert, yes? Okay. Excuse me. Did you get a name?
No, just this way.
Roxana Bolaños,
Yes?
I'm here on Rex Mayhew's behalf.
Oh yeah, you were at his house the day of the birthday party.
Yes. And we need to talk.
So where's Rex?
Get your things, make your excuses, I'll tell you everything in the car.
In the car. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm not going anywhere with you. I need to talk to Rex. This is ridiculous.
Trust me. Rex won't answer. He's dead.
조너선은 그녀도 위험에 빠졌을지 모른다며 보안 요원과 함께 호텔로 데려갑니다.
All I need is to ask you a few questions. How do you know Rex? How did you know him? Start at the beginning. Take your time.
그녀는 마이애미에서 무역회사를 운영하고 있습니다. 그러던 어느 날 그녀를 통해 영국에서 총유관을 구입하려는 사람이 나타났죠.
An import company in Cartagena is buying UK machine tools for oil pipelines. I grew up there. My family's from there. They trusted me to broker the deal. We used to let an intermediary.
Adam Hollywell.
Name of the import company?
It's Barquero Commerce.
So what happened?
MI6인 렉스는 여기서 불법적인 정황을 발견하고 그녀를 통해 범죄 정보를 얻으려고 했습니다.
Ever heard of a man called Yakko Brauer?
No. Why?
What about this man?
No. No, I don't think so.
Listen, until we know what happened with Rex, you should stay here
No,
tonight.
I can't. I have a flight booked to Miami tomorrow. I have to leave.
We'll deal with that.
No, I actually have to go.
This has everything you might need. Tony will stay with you.
조너선은 금방 돌아오겠다며 록사나의 휴대폰을 뺏은 뒤 사라집니다. 그리고 올빼미들은 록사나가 말한 회사 명의로 된 화물을 발견합니다.
Bingo. That's our shipment.
그리고 이 회사의 대표는 렉스의 폰에 들어있던 사진 속 남자였습니다.
His name is Teddy Dos Santos. He lives in Medellin. Now I can find nothing on him until 2018. Whoever cleaned his background knows their stuff. All I've got is a very sudden entry into legitimate
Business in Colombia about 6 years ago. The formation of Barquero Commerce and a charity foundation.
자선단체를 설립해 사람들에게 희망의 메시지를 주며 구호품 속에 무기를 숨겨 밀수를 하는 방식. 완벽하게 리처드와 동일합니다. 그리고 그가 갑자기 나타난 시기도 리처드가 죽은 6년 전입니다. 조금씩 냄새가 나기 시작하는 조너선. 혹시 그가 리처드 밑에서 오랫동안 일을 했다면 리처드의 아들인 데니는 알아보지 않을까요?
Mr. Roper, guest fee.
Hi, Danny. Michael Oakes. Remember me?
I'll leave you to it. I'll be outside if you need anything.
정말 오랜만에 만나는 데니.
Look, I'm sorry I didn't come before. There were rules I had to obey for protection.
Mine or yours?
Both.
테디의 사진을 보여주며 아는 사람인지 묻지만 데니는 처음 보는 사람이라는 대답을 시원찮게 합니다.
Just take one more look. Sorry. Michael, is it? Yeah. You're a fucking liar. You destroyed my family. You never once were honest with me. So why should I give you anything? Huh?
Okay. I shouldn't have come. Sorry.
See you in another 10 years.
There's something I haven't told you. About your father. He was, executed by his captors.
When?
6 years ago.
Why wasn't I told?
리처드는 극악무도한 악당이었습니다. 그런데 이 순간 알 수 없는 죄책감이 느껴지는 조너선.
I'm sorry you had to find out like this. I'm sorry, Danny.
한편 록사나는 가족들에게 연락을 해야 한다며 통화만이라도 하게 해달라고 부탁합니다.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Can I get you anything?
I'm gonna be sick.
Jaco Brouwer just received a delivery to his hotel, a diplomatic briefcase. He's booked on a flight to Barcelona tomorrow at 8 a.m.
야코가 스페인으로 떠나려고 합니다. 그래서 동료와 함께 따라가려는 조너선.
Graham says you've asked him to bring firearms. We're night owls, not operatives.
It's just a precaution.
This previous life of yours you mentioned. You want to tell me about it?
I was, someone else once. But he had to go away.
Or was he?
I'll tell you when this is over.
I might just hold you to that.
이때 올빼미가 야코와 부딪힙니다.
Excuse me! Oh, shit! No. Bloody terminal. Yeah, time. Thank you. Thanks. Taxi!
Let's go.
야코를 따라갑니다. 그리고 호텔에 투숙 예정인 정보를 알아내고
Hola, buenas. Algo está pasando fuera. Creo que puedo ir. Vale, gracias. Yep.
Jaco's booked into room 249.
Got it.
야코의 방에서 동료들이 잠복합니다. 나중에 그가 홀로 돌아왔을 때 포위한 뒤 신문할 계획입니다. 그때 테디가 나타납니다. 예상치 못한 등장에 당황하는 조너선. 하지만 이것을 기회 삼아 대화를 엿들으며 정보를 얻습니다.
So, got something for me?
Yes, the shipment list with the government stamp as requested. But they're insisting on no more contact until the anniversary.
The British always at arm's length. Let's go check the document in the room. Then get some rest. It's a long flight back to Colombia tomorrow.
예상과 다르게 흘러가지만 이 정도는 감당할 수 있습니다.
Teddy Dos Santos is here, and they're on their way up. We got him. Keep them in the room. I want to talk to him.
You are in room 249, correct?
Yeah, second floor.
You are a good man, Jacob. Roper knew a soldier when he saw one.
Teddy, I had no idea. I swear.
Let's go.
I'm almost there. You still got him?
No, listen, we've lost him. We've lost the signal. They must be onto us.
Clear the system and move Roxana.
Mike, delete everything off the system.
What?
Delete everything off the system. Do it now.
They're still not here.
What is? Get out of there, now.
Concierge.
Answer your phone, Tony.
Who is it?
No. Graham. No. What is it? Yes. No. Hey, wait.
테디를 잡아야 합니다.
Hola. Soy un viejo colega del señor Baladón. Creo que tiene una habitación en la cuarta planta. He quedado con él allí, pero ¿me podría recordar el número, por favor?
Who are you?
Hi, this is Alex Goodwin. Please leave a message.
조노사는 폭발에 휘말려 사망한 것으로 보고되고 부하인 셀리가 본부에 불려갑니다.
Did he say why he was following some gun runner on a fake passport?
No. He only told us what we needed to know.
그렇게 마이라는 청문회를 대충 마무리하며 모든 의문을 조노선의 죽음과 묻어 버립니다.
I'm hereby terminating the Night Owls unit. And if anyone outside this room asks, your unit was never in Spain. Is that clear?
Yeah.
그리고 며칠 뒤 웨일스의 시골 마을에 조노선이 모습을 드러냅니다. 그리고 셀리와 바지를 만나 죽은 동료의 복수를 위해 이번 사건을 끝까지 파헤치기로 약속합니다.
I'm not going anywhere. They died for nothing otherwise.
셀리는 테디의 화물이 메데인으로 향하는 걸 확인했습니다. 그래서 메데인에서 자신들을 도울 수 있는 정의로운 사람을 찾기 시작했죠.
Who is he?
Alejandro Gualteros, public prosecutor in Medellin. Now, he has tried twice before to stop Barquero, but he got nowhere. We've tipped him off under the codename Max. He's impounded the shipment for us, and he's frozen Barquero's bank accounts.
일매에 강한 반감을 가지고 있는 검사에게 익명으로 제보를 했고, 검사는 메데인 항구에 도착한 테디의 화물을 압수했지만 영장이 나오지 않아 열어보지 못하고 있는 실정입니다.
Which means Teddy will need cash flow. That's your way in. We'll use the Roper piggy bank. Seems appropriate, given you've stolen in the first place.
돈이 필요한 테디에게 돈 많은 호구처럼 보여 접근하려는 조너선. 너무 쉬워 보여선 안 되고 날티가 나도 안 됩니다.
Pinstripe? Try that.
That's not it.
No, it's cheap. It's not.
It's obvious.
It's obvious.
적당히 호구 같아 보이면서 위험을 즐길 것 같은 사람. 무엇보다 돈이 많아 보여야겠죠.
Yes, that's him.
That's him.
조노선은 매슈 애슐리란 이름으로 메데인에 들어옵니다. 매슈는 영국인이지만 홍콩 은행에서 근무하던 중 알 수 없는 이유로 해고를 당한 뒤 메데인에 들어온 상황을 연기하는 겁니다.
You're on your own. You're dodgy, and you've money to burn. You're staying at the Grand Melia, because naturally that is the only hotel in Colombia that you would ever be seen dead at.
Naturally.
Naturally.
호텔에서 체크인을 하고 두둑한 현금을 보여주며 거한 팁을 줘 자신에 대한 소문이 퍼지도록 행동합니다.
Un poquito más para allá tiene las instalaciones deportivas y por allí tiene el servicio de bar que está abierto.
Now, Teddy's lawyer Carrascal is your way in. He loves to gamble. They lunch together every Tuesday after his tennis practice at his club.
테니스장에서 테디의 변호사를 기다립니다.
Morning.
Morning.
You might have the same problem I had. Coach had to leave. Family issues, apparently.
처음 보는 얼굴이 폼을 잡고 코트에 있다. 남자라면 참을 수 없겠죠.
You wanna play a set?
Yeah.
You wanna make it count?
Yeah.
How much for? $1,000?
You don't mess around, do you? Te voy a fulminar.
그런데 조노선의 실력이 상당합니다.
Set it up. Game. One love to me. Well done, Englishman. Too low. Well done.
내기를 하며 가장 짜릿한 것은 역전이겠죠. 조금씩 지친 연기를 하며 점수를 내주기 시작합니다. 그리고 이 모습을 조용히 바라보고 있는 테디.
Good serve.
That's my set.
You have a strong right hand, but you relate me too much. You sound like my father.
이때 셸리는 알레한드로 검사에게 조용히 접근합니다.
Let me get that for you, Alejandro. Gracias.
Con gusto.
Excuse me, who are you?
You received a tip-off 10 days ago. The sender's code name was Max. You impounded the shipment for us. And Max wants you to know we're very grateful.
알레한드로는 화물을 압수했지만 무슨 일인지 산체스 장군이 이것을 열어보지 못하게 막고 있는 걸 말합니다.
Who are you?
Okay, Alejandro, we're friends. This conversation was recorded in Richmond, London 2 weeks ago. Listen to it, but share it with no one.
We want to know what's going on, just like you do. So whatever Teddy DeSantis offers you to release that shipment, you refuse it.
알레한드로는 쉽게 매수당할 사람은 아닌 것 같습니다. 그렇다면 테디는 시간이 지날수록 조조해질 테니 조노선이 연기하는 호구가 더 필요해지겠죠.
Yes?
Is that Matthew Ellis?
Yes, who is this?
It's your tennis partner. Would you care to join me and Teddy at our fundraising gala tomorrow?
I'd love to.
테디의 모금 행사에 초대를 받은 조노선. 그리고 드디어 테디와 마주합니다.
Last time I saw you, you were angry at losing on the tennis court.
I still am.
테디는 조노선이 마음에 드는 것 같습니다. 일이 순조롭게 풀리는 것 같은 그 순간.
There's one now.
Ah.
록사나입니다.
Who's he with? She's a very close friend of mine. Huh. You wanna say hi?
테디는 록사나를 소개해 줍니다. 둘은 서로를 알아봤지만 서로의 약점을 주고 있는 상태니 처음 보는 척 연기를 하는데 호흡이 척하면 척입니다.
Hello. Pleasure to meet you.
And you. Welcome to Colombia. You new in town?
Oh, I just flew in. Terrible turbulence on the way over. Thought I might not make it.
But here you are.
Here I am. You're stuck.
See. Matthew, excuse me for a moment. I have to talk with Juan. Can you take care of our guest?
록사나는 조노선을 믿지 못하는 상태에서 도움을 청할 사람은 테디뿐이었습니다. 하지만 테디에게 구조된 뒤 MI6에게 신문을 당했다는 이유만으로 포로 같은 삶을 살고 있었죠.
I should be back in Miami by now. Instead, I'm stuck here at his villa under constant surveillance. It's like I'm this fucking prisoner.
조노선은 자신을 도와 테디를 잡으면 무사히 마이애미로 보내주기로 약속합니다.
What's in the Barquero shipment? Because it isn't machine tools.
Teddy didn't tell me.
Who's he selling to? Colombian military?
I told you I don't know. I just front the deal.
And how much does he pay you for that?
He's watching us.
조노선은 테디에게 자신이 돈 많은 호구인 걸 알리라고 말합니다.
You're going to convince him that Matthew Ellis is the man he needs. You're going to vouch for me. I want a meeting in 3 days.
You know I can't do that.
You want to get away clean, that's the price.
테디가 돌아옵니다.
Matthew, I'm sorry, but we have to leave. Thank you for coming, and don't forget to make a donation to my charity. We save lives. Roxy, vamos.
Roxana, why don't you take my card? Perhaps we can discuss things further over a private drink.
Yeah, I'd like that.
I hope that's not you being polite.
I don't know the meaning of the word.
I'll take care of that for you.
잠깐, 조노선은 이 사진을 본 기억이 있습니다. 데니를 만나기 전 테디와 리처드의 연결고리를 잡기 위해 압수된 리처드의 개인 물품들을 살펴봤는데 거기서 발견한 사진에 이 사진이 있었습니다. 돌아오는 길, 로비에서 셀리와 만납니다.
Nice gaff you got.
How's yours?
Sans aircon and sticky carpets. Way out of your league.
Just make sure you lock the bedroom door, okay?
Yeah, okay, I can look after myself, thank you.
조노선은 파티장에서 록사나를 만난 걸 말해줍니다.
And you trust her?
Not exactly, but she's all we've got. I still got nothing concrete on Teddy's past. Did you get any more on Barquero?
조노선은 테디와 그의 회사에 관한 정보를 더 캐보라고 말합니다. 그들이 무기를 밀수하는 것처럼 보이지만 어떤 증거도 확보하지 못했습니다. 심지어 테디가 누구인지조차 확실하게 파악하지 못했죠. 다음날 메데인 시내로 나가 탐정을 찾아갑니다. 조노선은 사진을 찍은 시계탑이 콜롬비아인 걸 파악하고 사진 속 여성을 찾아달라고 의뢰합니다. 그리고 둘은 함께 시계탑으로 향한 뒤 수소문을 하는데 생각보다 쉽게 여성의 정체를 알아냅니다.
Here she is. María Luisa Vidal.
네, 여성은 오래전에 사망한 사람입니다.
She died so young.
그때
Disculpen. ¿Qué están haciendo aquí? Porque están preguntando por mi mamá.
Es su madre.
Sí.
¿Cómo se llama?
Clara. Who are you?
조노선은 테디의 사진을 보여줍니다. 그러자 여성은 테디가 오래전에 헤어진 남동생인 걸 알아봅니다.
He's my brother, Eduardo. I haven't talked to him in 30 years. He was not brought up here.
You're sure it's him?
I know my brother.
여성은 어릴 적 어머니가 테디를 성당으로 보냈다고 말합니다. 아무리 삶이 어려워도 아이를 성당으로 보내는 건 흔한 일이 아니기에 조노선은 성당을 찾아가 테디에 관해 물어봅니다.
Eduardo se fue cuando tenía 16 años y no he vuelto a verlo desde entonces.
¿Sabe por qué su madre lo mandó aquí?
Por lo visto hubo un escándalo, pero nosotros no nos inmiscuimos en asuntos familiares. Nuestra única preocupación era el muchacho.
Y nunca vino nadie a hacer la visita.
Solo su padre.
Niño, está llegando.
Solía venir una vez al año. Y Eduardo le esperaba todo el año, con muchas ganas. Y practicaba su inglés todo el año. Y solo para ese día.
Mira. Ahí está.
Eduardo's father was English.
Yes.
네, 테디의 친아버지는 바로 리처드 루퍼입니다.
Are we on our bloody holidays? Where have you been?
Hey, darling. How was your day? Walk with me, we've got company, come on. He's one of Teddy's.
감시가 붙기 시작합니다. 조심히 대화하는 조노선.
Teddy is Richard Onslow Roper's son. Roper was gun running in Colombia in the 90s. He met a married woman. They had an affair. She had a son. They sent him away, changed his name, hid his past. Now he's continuing the family business.
You okay?
I feel like I'm chasing ghosts.
테디의 행적을 보면 너무나 리처드와 닮아 있습니다. 물론 그의 밑에서 일을 배웠다고 할 수도 있지만 둘이 함께한 시간은 얼마 되지 않습니다.
Hello?
I've got you an inn. If you're interested, I'll come and pick you up tomorrow for lunch.
록사나입니다. 테디의 환심을 사는데 성공한 것으로 보입니다. 다음날 셀리는 검사를 만나 화물의 정체를 알려줍니다.
I'm pretty sure the cargo you impounded contains illegally imported British weapons. It's the last of 6 shipments. If we're right, that's a lot of weapons, and we need to know who they're for. There's been talk of a deadline for the final shipment, codenamed Anniversary.
That may not be a code name.
What do you mean?
The 10-year anniversary of the peace process is in a week's time. Maybe the anniversary is real.
We need to open that shipment, Alejandro.
You saw the letter from the military. My hands are tied.
Okay, if I can get you proof of what's inside those containers, then will that help untie them? If I can get you a list.
록사나와 점심을 먹습니다. 그리고 이 자리엔 테디가 감시도 붙였죠.
So they're interested. The Barquero bank account remains frozen. They need money while they solve the problem. Teddy's noticed you, heat attacks and alcohol problem, an appetite for risk. He wants to sound you out. About a potential short-term loan. No fingerprints, easy getaway.
테디가 필요한 돈은 2천만 달러입니다. 물론 자금은 충분히 되지만 이렇게 큰 돈을 가지고 있는 걸 납득할 수 있게 설명하는 건 차원이 다른 문제입니다.
I get you what you want. I disappear back to Miami. No plea bargain, no key witness. I was never here.
done.
테디에게 향합니다. 메데인이 한눈에 내려다 보이는 그림 같은 저택.
Bienvenido. Ay. Hola, hola.
Todo bien, Roxy.
Todo bien. These boys will take care of you. I'm gonna go freshen up. I'll be out in a minute.
Great. Hi.
Hi.
Matthew Ellis. Nice to meet you.
Mr. Ellis. Siga pues.
Nice digs.
¿Cómo está, señor?
Hey, man.
Who's
Matthew.
Benny.
Not bad. Nice pad.
Yeah, it's our paradise. Victor, tell that Jebo our guys is here.
Good year for Barquero, I think. He in the fucking Hollywood Hills up here.
This is what it is. Hey, Teddy.
The main man.
Matthew,
Teddy.
how good of you to come. How was lunch?
It was lunch. Why am I here?
First, have a drink with me. Then we can talk. Come on in. Please.
조너선은 설정된 과거에 맞춰 연기하기 위해 마치 쫓기는 사람처럼 계속 주변을 경계하고 둘러봅니다.
Teddy. What's with the muscle?
You're afraid?
Well, they're just, there's a lot of them.
Don't worry. They're friends. We go back a long way.
테디는 자신이 조사한 조너선, 아니 매슈의 과거를 쭉 읊어봅니다.
You left England in your 20s and never went back. A man on the run. But from what I want.
가족도 있다는 사람이 홍콩 은행에서 잘린 뒤 영국으로 돌아가지 않는 이유가 궁금한 테디.
3 months ago, a sudden split. No explanation. And now you're here, on the lookout. I don't know, but some people will call that questionable, Matthew.
Look, I made a lot of money. I got bored. What's to explain?
순순히 불지 않으니 테디로선 그냥 넘어갈 수 없었을 겁니다. 술을 가져오며 파티를 하고 정신을 못 차리게 잔뜩 먹입니다.
And remember, here, always to the dead ones. Just a
Little to the dead ones. How much? That much? Yeah? Yeah, for the dead ones.
Hey, chico, poco más.
Te vas a matar, pobrecito.
술에 밀가루까지 다 먹이자
So they wait one to the dead ones,
No,
right?
no.
This one we don't. Okay. Chin chin down the hatch.
록사나는 쫄리기 시작합니다. 저러다가 정신 못 차리고 묻은 걸 풀어버리는 건 아닌지. 부하가 조노선을 건져옵니다. 그리고 신문을 시작합니다.
Who are you, Matthew? Why are you really here? You can tell me everything. You're safe here.
I've come for you.
Really? Why?
Cleaning the money.
What money?
I lost the bank. 600 million.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Gone. Swiss bankers. Not happy.
Mm-hmm.
Ruins the family image.
Mm. So they kicked you out?
Yeah.
So, how is it you have money to invest with me? Huh?
I hid it. 25 million. Special account.
Fucking twisted, what? I'm not real. You're not real.
So now you need to clean that money, huh?
Mm-hmm. Wash it clean. Colombia, laundretta. Lavanderia. Lavanderia.
Mm-hmm. I can help you to do that, Matthew. If you trust me.
I trust you.
Yeah? I can make you clean.